Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. We talk about everything tech and fun stuff and much, much more. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you about something that just came on the news. For those of you who are amusement park fanatics and Gundam fanatics, you may have heard about this. Was released is a full-size 65-foot robot, and they've been field testing it just now. Now, what's been happening, of course, is that they gave it a full field test, and the plan is this is at the Gundam Factory in Yokohama, Japan, and it's going to be moved to the new amusement park starting next year. Now, they were going to have an open house where you're able to see this in person, but because of the COVID-19 restrictions, they were unable to. And that's unfortunate. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm going to be adding this to my bucket list so that I can take a look at it myself. Because, you know, I've been at Universal, and of course they have the Transformers that stand outside and walk. But now they have this. So this is something to add to your bucket list, onto your fun list. So next year when they bring it to the Yokohama Amusement Park, I'm definitely going to put it on my bucket list to try to get there. So this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out. And until next time, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to bring you some more fun stuff as we finally get out again and be able to travel.